Welcome back to Corbin's Coasters and More. This is Butterbeer Part 2. This is going to be the hot butterbeer that all of you have been waiting for after seeing how to make the cold butterbeer. Now the cold butterbeer is my own recipe. The hot butterbeer, I just kind of looked up. There's a site called wizardingworldpark.com. I'll leave a link to them. It's a blog on all things Wizarding World of Harry Potter. This recipe, I tried it. It tastes pretty good. So I'm going to show you how to make it. So the recipe ingredients are not the same as what you need for the cold butterbeer. You're going to need a cup and a quarter, or 10 ounces of cream soda. You need a quarter cup of heavy whipping cream, half cup of butterscotch chips, and a little pat of butter, about a tablespoon, salted butter. So the first thing you do, combine the butterscotch chips and the butter. You're going to put those in the microwave, 30 seconds. Pull it out, stir it up, and throw that back in there. Another 30 seconds. All right, at this point you should be getting pretty gooey. And we're going to add some liquid. We're going to add the heavy whipping cream. So this is after you put it in the microwave 2 times. Stir in the heavy whipping cream. And throw it back in. You guessed it, 30 seconds. You're going to do this a few more times until this all becomes one liquid. So this is my 4th stirring, so after adding the milk, so a total of 6th stirring. It's boiling pretty good, and everything is mixed in, making one liquid. Now while you wait on that to cool down a little bit, I'm gonna take the cream soda, and you're gonna cook that for about a minute. And all this stuff does get really hot, especially this bowl. So make sure you're wearing a protective glove, otherwise you're gonna burn yourself. So this is, after it cooled down a little bit, what it looks like. Looks delicious. So now we're gonna combine all this together in one bowl. Has a nice fizzy look still, which is good. Set up just a little bit. This is more like cooking than bartending. Carefully pour it in your mug. There you have it, hot butterbeer. Now this tastes and looks just like it's supposed to look, like it looks in Universal. This might even be better than the one that I made, the frozen one. So if you didn't see the frozen butterbeer episode, go back and watch that one. I'm going to be posting more of these. I'm going to be posting an alcoholic butterbeer episode. Also, coasters and cocktails. They do go together well. I'm going to have some specialty cocktails themed to coasters coming out very soon. So if you like this, let me know. If you try the recipe yourself, let me know. I'm going to post the full recipe on the bottom, as well as a link to the site that I got it. And I'm also going to post a link to the frozen butterbeer episode. Of course, I have more that's not about drinks. I have more about coasters, ranking coasters, Cedar Point tips and tricks, Universal tours, a little bit of everything. So check it out on Corbin's Coasters and More.